Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation between year 2009 and year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse, guys, for the high beams is located, because your high beams headlights do not work. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always good to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we're going to demonstrate here, guys, now specifically on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, video may be helpful. We have two fuse boxes, guys, on that truck. Okay, one is under the hood, right above the radiator. You have a fuse box just like that. That's the fuse box. We don't need this one today. We need another one, which is known as the fuse box BCM, body control module fuse box. It's located in the cabin on the passenger side, under the dash, under the glove box there. By that kick panel, you remove the plastic there, you open the fuse box, and you're going to end up seeing that. We zoomed it so we can show you everything with a great detail. Now, first, let's explain, so you don't waste your time and money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if your high beams do not work, guys, we have a special video if just left or right headlight does not work, left headlight fuse, right headlight fuse, but the high beams, it's for left and right side, it's on one fuse. You're going to come, this is row number 1, 2, 3 from left to right. That last row, that row right here, that last fuse, that 15 amp fuse that you see right here, that's the high beams fuse that you need to check, guys. Check this fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.